So 2 days ago we did the diffuser. Now we are doing the side skirts. So this side skirt is from Suvneer. It is just carbon side skirts, as you guys can see. This one does not have the kick to it at the rear. It just kind of goes down. This side skirt is very rounded, but this is the rear of it. I think this one looks really good. The weaves are nice. A lot of fingerprints because I've been touching this shit. The things you need for this install are self-tapping screws. Self-tapping screws. I'm using these washers. So go like that. Put it together. Screw this in. Self-tapping screws. We need 3M tape. We're gonna use 3M tape. We also need alcohol to wipe down the dirty car. We need a drill bit. I believe this drill bit 532 is the drill bit we are using. This is the closest that I found to be the size of the self-tapping screws. Sharpie to mark our holes. We're gonna lift up the car a little bit on the jack. What else? Got this rolly thingy, creeper. What we are gonna do right now is wipe everything down. I'm gonna figure out where I want the holes. I am going to drill and smoke 5 holes. So there will be 1, 2, 3, oh no, 4 is over here, 4 is like right here, and 5 is at the end. Try and balance it out so I have 1 on each side to hold it, 1 in between each side, and then 1 in the middle. It will hold the side skirts up. It's also being held by 3M tape. This is the 3M tape that I'm using. Also, I'm going to be using a heat gun as well. I'm going to heat up the 3M tape before I put it on so it has a better stick to it. I don't think you really have to do that. So this is from Suvneer. They make a lot of parts for a lot of different cars. I believe mainly BMW. Don't quote me on that. This is the side skirt. This is the first one we're going to work with. So this one will be on the left side being the driver's side. I'm gonna clean the car first, wipe it all down, and then mock it up, figure out where I want the holes, and then drill it, and then self-tap it. First things first, I gotta jack up the car. Dirty. I am done wiping this down. So I wanted to show you guys the lip. As you guys can see right here, there's a little like groove, a little bump. Probably push the side skirt in until it hits this part, and then you're gonna be drilling like right there and 3M taping. Now it is time to, or actually I'm gonna test fit it, and then I'm going to zoop 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 right here. Right where that lip is, this is where it stops. This is how it's gonna look. I don't know if you guys can see it. Can you guys see it? We are gonna mark where to drill. I don't know what happened to the pen. I'm actually gonna just mark it right now and then show you guys in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Guess I'm doing 7 holes, guys. I don't think it'll be that bad. Not that bad. We're drilling now. I am gonna take this. Here's the first one. That's the first hole. Clean hole. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 holes. We're gonna do the same holes on the other side. I'm just gonna do it now because I already know how many holes or where I want the holes. So yeah, looks good. At the ends, I wanted 2 bolts near each other. These 2 are near each other. These 2 are near, and then it goes 1, 2, and 3 right in the middle. And then also we're gonna have 3M tape on top of the bolts. So I'm gonna put 3M tape over it, and then I'm gonna drill through the 3M tape. Better security. I can sleep better at night with 7 drilled holes. You feel me? Same thing on this one. I'll flip this real quick. I'm gonna match the holes with this one. Okay, marked all the holes. Time for drilling again. Okay, so we are done drilling these holes. Next thing we're gonna do is clean it off with alcohol. Again, using the alcohol. I cut myself, don't wanna put that on there. That hurt. We're gonna clean it off, and then we're gonna put 3M tape over it, and then we're gonna install it. I'm gonna wipe the car one more time, and then I'm going to put the side skirts on. Next time is just use 1 screw instead of all 7, because the 3M keeps getting stuck in the threads. It's not drilling in. I would recommend just using 1, drill all of them in. Here's the side skirts. It has been installed. It looks so good with this rear splat or whatever you call it. From that down. Perfect. So now we are going to move on to the passenger side, and then that should be it for this install. I'm gonna show you guys how the screws look. I don't know if you guys can see it. Basically, it's all around. Everything is tight. This is sturdy. It ain't going nowhere. All about it, because usually I step down and install complete. Let me know what you guys think about it. I think it looks so good. What do you think? It looks really good?
Yeah.
It's a bit dark now. Yeah, I want to show you guys how it looks. I love how it curves down, or like goes out and then back. Just ties so well with the diffuser. It's really good. Looks really good. It's a bit dark now. Side skirts are complete. Diffuser is complete. To be continued.